Hi everyone, it's Alia or Cake Legend and welcome to more of an educational video. Today, we will be going over the most useful math you'll ever use in baking, basic recipe conversion. This calculation comes in handy anytime you need to upscale or downscale a recipe when you only have a limited amount of an ingredient at your disposal, or when you have a certain amount of an ingredient that you need to use up. Getting right into it, you'll first need to make sure your recipe is written in weight unit measurements. This will not work with a recipe written in imperial measurements. Next, you'll need to know what you're basing this recipe conversion off of. For example, this recipe calls for 800 grams of flour, but let's say you only have 673 grams at home. We're going to base the recipe conversion off of this factor. You're going to divide the new yield by the old yield to get the conversion factor. So in this case, 673 divided by 800 equals 0.84. Now you're going to multiply each ingredient's measurement by this conversion factor as well. Make sure you write down each answer beside its ingredient name. The result is a customized yield based on the exact weight of flour that was available. I find this super handy whenever I'm in that same situation, or if I'm ever needing to use up some ingredients before they spoil, like those times you have a carton half full of cream you need to use within the week. Measure it out and calculate a recipe so that you can use up every single drop and avoid waste. This also works great for the times you want to bake a specific amount of something. For example, if you have a recipe that makes 18 cookies but you want to make 45, it's easy to double the measurements when you're using a recipe measured in cups and teaspoons, but it wouldn't be enough in this case. If your recipe is written in grams, you can convert that into a recipe that will give you exactly 45 cookies easily. So that's it. I truly hope this video was insightful and helpful to all my fellow baking lovers. Be sure to leave a like and comment if you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!